Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Shakay. Almost nearly baby. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified every time I make a video. Guys, I'm heading to work. It is the day after Easter Monday and I'm heading to work. It's not really a full day kind of school thing, but the CXC students, we're gonna be doing some math classes. So we're having a math marathon from today until Friday. I won't be going all days. I'm just going 2 days. I'm going today, tomorrow, and then I get Thursday and Friday. So I'm actually heading out right now. I think it's like after 8. I don't even remember what time they said this starting. So I'm just gonna leave it now. So yes, just decided to take you guys along. I haven't vlogged since in a while. And on Saturday I vlogged. Just decided to vlog today as well. So yes, let us get this day on. Alright, hey guys, so I have been doing some little vlogging here and there from, I think it was some weeks ago, but probably 2 or 1 week ago, and I just wanted to include these clips in the vlog. So my aunt was here for 2 weeks and I vlogged her probably about once or twice. I know I vlogged her when she was doing something for Harvest, and then again when she was leaving. So I'm gonna insert that. Hi auntie.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm okay.
What you making?
I'm about to make yam puffs with sorry filling. So I'm just prepping the ingredients. This is some fruits. I'm just steaming in some water so that they will get soft. There it is. And then this is some ginger that I will put just maybe a teaspoon or 2 in it. This is the sorrel. It's already steamed. But it will get some more steam and I'll blend all together later to make it finely chopped. I'm gonna put some cinnamon powder, nutmeg, a little white rum, and this is cornstarch to bring it all together. Yes. So I'm going to be pounding the yam later. And then I'll use that to make the crust. I'll place the filling and then I'll bake it golden brown. Okay. And done.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Then you're hungry.
You're hungry.
Sugar me. Auntie, why you gotta leave me? Why? And make we hide our bag them do. Auntie, don't go. I also vlogged. It wasn't a lot. It was like a little bit of my sports day. So we had sports day as well. I'm gonna call this like a camera dump or something. I just want to get rid of these things out of my camera, and I don't want them to not be uploaded, so I'm gonna upload them. And then any other vlog clip that I think is interesting will go right here. guys, so it is pretty much the next day. After I finished ironing last night, I just actually went to bed. Well, I actually went into bed. Well, I watched some more YouTube, then I went into bed, watched YouTube while I edited a video. So that was pretty much what I did for the night. Just want to end this vlog here. I wanted that vlog to be like just emptying out all my camera, so that, well, this vlog to just empty out my camera so I can start afresh, and new videos are coming. I'm trying to, do more videos. Somebody came for me in the comments in my last video and said, you need to do more vlogs, and I'm gonna try. I go back to school next week Monday, and I'm gonna try and plan, because I realize if I don't plan, then I don't do. So if I tell myself, oh yes, I'm gonna do a weekend vlog here, I'm gonna do a vlog there, I'm gonna do this video, I'm gonna do that video, then I will end up actually doing videos. But if I don't, then I end up not knowing what to film and saying, oh, vlogs are boring, the vlogs are gonna be boring because I don't have anywhere to go. But I think the main thing is just being myself, because not everybody goes out every time. People actually want to see real lifestyle looking vlogs, which, just in my yard doing pretty much housework or pretty much nothing, a lazy day, because we all have that lazy days. And I want y'all to understand, sometimes when I put up my productive vlogs, I'm productive on that day, I may not be productive for the rest of the week. Who knows? So don't feel bad about yourself if you feel like you're not productive enough. I'm not productive every day. So yes. All right, so thanks so much. Hi mommy, I don't think the vlog I've seen you in a while. What you doing? So yes guys, thanks so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.